Okay, let me share this. Okay. So just joining, you're welcome. So joining, you are welcome. Okay. If you're joining, you are welcome. Just put in analysis for you to see the reason why we took the trade we took and what is exactly playing out currently now. So drop your questions in the comment section, or if there's a pair you want me to analyze, drop it in the comment section. I will just do justice to it right away. Okay. Okay. 61.8 below. Okay. So taking the fib up. So currently, for UJ is giving us a break and retest kind of factors in here. Okay, let me get my earpiece. Okay. If you're joining, you're welcome. Please make sure you're subscribed And also, feel free to drop a question in the comment section. I'm going to respond to each of them. If you want to analyze anything, you're free to drop it in the comment section. I will analyze it for you. Thank you for the like. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, so this is currently UJ. As you can see, we are floating here. We are floating on UJ. You can see your positions here. All of them you see here are currently all these positions you see here. Okay, they are these positions you can see here. These are sniper entry. You can see the entry from here. No, I'm not doing that. So if you want to know how I took these entries, just say how in the comment section. Ask how, and I will show you how we got these entries. Okay, just say how. I'll show you how we got these entries in the comment section. If you're joining, make sure you are subscribed. I wanted to teach you guys how to trade trends, but we are not up to my target. Once I can see, then I'm going to be teaching how to trade the trends. So if you are just joining, make sure you subscribe. You really don't want to miss out whenever I'm live. Okay. So if you want to know how we catch these trades, just drop how in the comment section, and I will show you how we caught sniper entry like this. Sniper entry, you can see this is exactly where this entry was taken, and immediately, boom, we had this big move to the upside here. No, we had the rally down to test this zone, and we're expecting this guy to come up again. So you want to know how we do this? Just say hi, say how in the comment section. And I will tell, please make sure you're liking this video session. Make sure you're liking the live session, and also make sure you are subscribed. So I will be, if you want me to analyze any pair, just drop it in the comment section. If there's anything special you want me to analyze, drop it in the comment section. This is currently UJ, as you can see. This is USJPY. Okay, this is USJPY, as you can see. Sorry. This is USJPY. You can see it there. This is USJPY. I took this trade. Once I confirmed the sniper entry was when I took them. And you can see we are in massive profit, as you can see. Those are the trades. These are the trades they are running. They are currently running. Okay, so if you want to know how I took this trade, just say hi. Say how, sorry, and I will show you guys. Probably when we hit, once we hit 10 likes, I can just start teaching on that entry, okay? We'll start teaching on that entry. Let me take some profit. Let me take some profit. Let me take $100 from this. Okay. Okay, let me just take this. Done. So you can see I've closed a position. You can see this trade, I closed position here. So let's tell you that we have this trade still running. And this is our entry. So if you want me to teach how to take this kind of entries, just drop how in the comment section. I'll respond to you. Just drop how in the comment section. Let me just see you say how. Once I can see 3 how, then I will start teaching. So, but by the way, currently we are holding these positions. I also want to talk about revenge trading, how not to be trading in a zone like this or like this. I will tell you how you blow account and what not to do. So let me see that we have a good number of persons that are here to learn. So I know this time I'm using it wisely for a lot of persons. If you're joining, make sure you subscribe before I start teaching. Make sure you are subscribed before I start teaching. Make sure you're subscribed. As I said, if you want to know how I took this kind of entry, just drop how in the comment section, how, and I will start teaching, okay? Let me just see 3 hows. I know you guys are interested to learn, then I will teach. And make sure you're liking this session. Make sure you're liking, okay? So for a recap, for those that just joined us, you can see here we have a downtrend running. We have this downtrend here. This is market making new lows until we have a break here, okay? This is our overall high currently on the time frame. This is H4 time frame. So now we have the market retest this same zone, the structure, and now is buying back to the upside, okay? So the question is, how did we get this sniper entry? That's the question. Some persons are saying, how did I get these sniper entries? Okay. So I'm going to teach you. Once I can see 3 persons say how in the comment section, then I'll teach it so that I know you guys are really interested to learn the strategy. Okay, so this is UJ. Currently, we have a break of structure here. So I wanted to talk about when you blown an account and you are really worried about it. Just say yes in the comment section. I also want me to talk about this sniper entry also. Say yes in the comment section too. I'll be waiting for these 2 responses, then I'll start teaching you guys. If you want me to talk about how to take sniper entries like this, okay, just say yes in the comment section. And if you know you've been blowing your account and you want me to talk to you, say yes also in the comment section and I will talk to you. I want to start teaching you guys on why you blow account and what to do not to blow it again. Okay, so let me get a response, then I know we are good and I will get started. Yeah. Make sure you are subscribed for your good. Yeah, for your good, seriously. So here, make sure you subscribe for your good. Most times I come, do analysis, and I drop signals and I trade them. Just as you can see, this was an analysis I do, one of the live session on TikTok, and we took the trade. And you can see we are massively about 1K7. It was 1K7 in profit. We're taking some profit and we're still holding. Okay. So let me look at some other pair. If you're just joining, come. Oh my goodness. Make sure you're subscribed. You can also go follow me on TikTok and also Instagram at DeworldFX Academy. Okay. DeworldFX Academy. Okay. So let's look at probably GU. I said if I see 3 persons ask me how, then I will teach how to take these sniper entries I took. Okay, I will teach it. So if I see 3 highs, 3, I hope my comment section is open. Yes, it's open now. Comment section is open. What's happening? My comment section is open. So if I see 3 how, then I know you guys are interested to learn, then I will teach it. Okay. So now let's look at GU. Currently on GU now. On GU, the chart is loading. If the UJ is trending up, GU definitely, surely will be trending down. Okay. If UJ, which is USJPY, is trending up, then you should be sure. That GU and EU will be trending down. So we're going to analyze that now. We're going to be looking at it now. we're going to be looking at. If you want me to talk about any pair, feel free to drop it in the comment section, okay? If you want me to talk about any currency, you want me to analyze any currency, drop it in the comment section. Just go ahead and drop it in the comment section. Okay. Okay. Remember I told you if UJ is buying, GU should be selling. Okay. So I'm going to do a quick analysis on this so you see what I'm talking about. So let me go to the H1 and do get some zones. So I think we have this zone here. That's an interesting zone. Okay, so we have a very interesting zone there. So I go to the H4. Now, if you watch closely in the H4, you see that zone is a very interesting area. Let me close this. Okay, good. You can see that zone is an interesting area where you can see the market giving us a good touch in that area to that area. If you watch closely here, you see again, see the market respecting this area with multiple wicks there. That is your confirmation for your analysis. When you do your analysis, you need to wait for confirmation. You need to see some confirmation. Just like if you look at this zone here, we have a mini structure there, like a mini supply zone after the major one, which is this one. We have that mini one there. So this mini one helps you to probably know a nearer close zone and where the market might play around, might reverse. Okay. So I haven't noticed that we're not looking at here. We have the markets playing to this zone. So it is in this zone we will now know if it's going to be bouncing back up or it's going to be breaking retest and it's going to give us something like this. Okay. So this is where you now go closer to do your analysis. This is where you look into the market in-depthly. So I'm going to be doing some analysis here. Make sure you're subscribed. If you're just joining, make sure you subscribe. You really don't want to miss out whenever I'm live. You don't want to miss out. So, and if you want me to analyze any pair, drop it in the comment section, okay? If you want me to analyze any pair or you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section and I will take it and I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Okay. So now we have confirmed this zone because market tested that zone and we're expecting it to come down there again for this third time. So now it is momentum that will decide for us where the market is going to. So if there is less momentum, it will come bounce, then go up. But if there's more momentum from the sell that is happening now, it will come, give us a retest, and it will drop massively. So we have between now and probably the London session to be able to identify or decide the direction of this market. Yes, we have until then to decide the direction of the market. But for now, we can't decide the new direction. Okay. So once you've gotten such an analysis, this is where you are now calm and you observe the market. You don't do something crazy. All you want to do is you want to observe and know what is the next move of the market. When you know the next move of the market, that is where you can now know where to trade. Okay, before I continue, I was asking some questions and I said, if you know you have blown your account recently, don't feel shy. We are all here to learn. There's nobody better than you here. I am just the coach here. So, you know you have blown your account multiple times, feel free to say yes, and I will talk to you. If you know you have blown your account, I wish I can see my comments. Let me check. I cannot see the comment section, so let me check. So if you know you've blown your account, just say yes, and I will talk to you right away now. Just say yes, and I will talk to you right away now. Just say yes, and I will talk to you right away now. Tell Fallon, let me get the ground beef open. Tell Fallon, let me get the ground beef open. Sorry. I don't got. Okay. I really am not too familiar with. I really am not too familiar with. I really am not too. Okay. So now from what I said, this is the market playing around here. So this is what happened to most of you. I will say this here. I wanted this to be the next topic I'll be teaching here. For most of you that probably do this. And this is what you did, or this is what your experience was. If you have experienced this, then probably you understand. Now, this is it. From the academy, when I teach, I tell my students, you only take your trade from your point of interest and your area of value. You only take your trade at the point of interest, which are your areas of value. You don't take trade anywhere. What do I mean by this is, most of the times, one candle, for instance, now, you saw this buy happened here. Okay, let's just come on the, along the trend. You saw this sell candle that happened there, this particular sell candle, and you took the trade based on this sell candle you saw here, this particular one, and you took that position for a sell. So when you took that sell, you were here at some point and you were in profit. Now all of a sudden you see the market now started going back up with this buy, this current candle now, this buy candle, and you will now close the profit you were already on the sell. You will now close it and take a buy. Just confirming this candle alone, you will not take a buy. Well, when you're taking that buy and you think, oh, at this point I'm already trying, oh, it's going up, I believe so. All of a sudden you see the market brought this sell candle now and it starts selling. And you're like, what is happening? Somebody's watching my trade. Nobody's watching your trade. Nobody's seeing your chart. Now, that's at that point now you close the buy, you will not take a sell. Probably you take the sell here. And just immediately when you took your sell here, all of a sudden, boom, you see this market start going up here. You see this buy start happening. Now, at that point now, this is where it now gets serious. This is you now gambling, not trading. Now, let's say at this point, you want to be patient enough. Probably you might even take your buy somewhere here because you want to be sure it is now buying. All of a sudden, the market is here and all of a sudden you see, boom, it dropped straight down, right? I believe if I'm not saying 100%, I believe you guys here have experienced this. 80% of you have experienced what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is it now. If you are experiencing this, then you're sure that your analysis is not correct. Like you really don't know what you are doing. That's the first thing I will tell you. You really don't know what you are doing. And the longer you keep up with that, the more you are going to be playing with your funds in the market. Okay? You really need to only trade from your point of interest on those areas of value. Those are the only place you should be taking your trade. So where are these areas of value we're talking about now? There are this zone where the market has told you something is happening or something has happened. Those are the areas where you really want to focus on. Like looking at this now, sorry, let me do this so you can understand what I'm saying. Looking at this here, these are areas of value. The market has tested them multiple times. Mind you, the market came rally all the way from here. So when it got to this point here, it sold, right? It rallied again and came back. When it got to this point again, what happened? It came down. Now, when it got here, what happened? It bought, it went up. Okay. It rallied again, came down here. When it came to this point, what happened? It bought, it went up. So, which means this area now are areas of interest, very important areas. I wish you are following. I just wish someone is getting something important for them now. So that area, these areas are very important areas. Okay. In the master class is when I teach how to identify areas like this, how to spot them, draw them, and also how to take trades on them. So having seen this now, we have this market running down here, all the way from here to this our zone where the market has tested before. So what we want to do now is to observe the market and wait for what happens when it gets here. Okay. So at this point, what most people do, which is what I'm talking about now, is what makes you blow your account. What you do here is exactly what makes you blow your account. You'll be taking buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. Now, you don't know where you're taking the buy. You don't know where you're taking the sell. Your analysis is messed up at that time. This is where you blow account. As I said, I'm going to bring out a day for this particular topic, why most of you blow your account. I'm going to talk about it. Okay. So now, once you're looking at a scenario like this, you should wait for market to give you reason for the trade. If you want my master, you can go to my bio. You're going to get my number there and you can join. Just hit me on WhatsApp. I'll tell you what it takes to join the master class. Very, very, very affordable. And I'll teach you how to analyze this all by yourself. Okay? So you can just feel free to hit me on WhatsApp. So now what I'm trying to say is don't take trades along the trend. These are areas we call along. Because you might be taking trade when the market is trying to take what we call a pullback or a retest. And at that point, beginner traders get burnt a lot because they really don't know what the market is about to do next. Okay, so they are trading based on candle, not based on analysis. I think I should repeat this so that you understand. At that point now, they are trading based on candles, not based on analysis. So they might see one buy candle, they rush and buy. Why? Definitely the market is going down. And it will take them down. Or probably at that point, they now rushing. Why? Overall is a buy. So you really need to be sure your analysis is correct before you hop in on a trade. So you must have to do your top-down analysis. Okay. So if you want to learn how to do your complete analysis, you want the risk management, technical and fundamental analysis, feel free to hit me on WhatsApp. Just hit me on WhatsApp and I'll tell you what it takes. Okay, this is almost 8 p.m. Okay, I have a meeting online. Okay, I might be rounding up here today. Tomorrow I'm going to come live again. Please, if you have any question or any inquiry, whatever, go to my profile. You see my number. You can hit me on WhatsApp. I will respond to you as soon as possible. Okay. So guys, have a lovely day. I think I'll be off for now. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you are subscribed.